Now, how do you do multiplication by a one-digit number? So you multiply a number by one digit. This is, it is a one-digit number and it is a three-digit number. So how do you multiply this number by a one-digit number? There is a certain method. So what you do when you multiply, you write the number above, you write 2, 3, 4 here, and then you multiply by 2. 2 you write just in the ones place because it is a one-digit number and one-digit number comes in ones place. Here you write in the place value position. Now what you do? You first multiply 2 with 4. 2 into 4 is 8. Now, second step is you have to multiply 2 with the tens place, that is 3. So what you do, you put a 0 and then you multiply 2 into 3, that is 6. Why you put 0? Because you are not multiplying once in the second step. You are only multiplying with the tens place. So in the ones place, you will write 0. Now, the third step is you have to multiply 2 with this 2 that is in the hundred place. Now you do not multiply with 0, so you simply put in the ones place you do not multiply, so you write 0. In the tens place you do not multiply, so you write 0. And because you are multiplying in the hundred place, so you write 2 into 2 is 4, so you write 4. Now what we do? We add the answer. So you write 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 0 is 6. And 4 remains 4. So when you multiply 234 by 2, you write 468. You understood how you do multiplication. First you multiply the ones place, then you multiply the tens place, then you multiply with the hundred place. Here you multiply 2. 2 with ones, 2 with tens, 2 with hundred. Here you could have done this in one step also. Like simply you could have written that 4 into 2, and here you could have written 3 into 2 is 6, 2 into 2 is 4. So simply you could have got 468, but because I'm making you understand, so you can do in this method also. Now you see few examples here. Like in this one, this is the question where you multiply with one digit number. So this is the question you see. 201 into 4. So what you do, you multiply 4 with the ones place, that is 4 into 1 is you write 4. Then you multiply 4 with the tens place, that is 0. 4 into 0, you have known the property, anything number multiplied with 0 becomes 0. So you write 0 as the answer. Then you multiply 4 with the hundred place. 4 into 2 is 8. This is the answer, 804. Clear? See one more, 931 into 5. So what you do, multiply 5 with the ones place, that's ones place you have 1. 5 into 1 you write 5. Then you multiply 5 with the tens place, that is in the tens place you have 3. So multiply 5 into 3, that is 15. 5 you write and 1 is carried over here. Same way as you were doing addition, borrowing part. Now what you do, you multiply 5 with the hundred place, that is you have 9 in the hundred place. So you multiply 9 into 5 is 45 and 1 was being carried. So 45 plus 1 becomes 46. This is the simplest way of doing multiplication of by one digit number. Now the second part is multiplication by a two-digit number. Here is an example that says Kevin has 34 pack of cards. 34 pack of cards. So how many pack of cards he has? He has 34. And each pack of card has 52 cards. You know this or not? One pack of card has 52 cards in it. So each one packet of card will have 52 cards inside it. And he has 34 packets. Now, how many cards does he have in all? Now, you have to calculate the total number of cards in 34 packets. So, what you do, you have 52 cards in each packet and you have 34 packets of card. So you multiply 52 with 34. So what you do, you first multiply as you were multiplying one digit number. So you multiply 4 with ones place. 4 2s are 8. Now you multiply 4 with the tens place as you were multiplying with the one digit number. So you multiply 4 with 5, you write 20. 4 5 is a 20. Now this you have multiplied. Now you have 3. So what you do, you put a 0 or either you put a cross. Okay, now you will not start from here. You will start multiplying from the tens place because the number 3 is in the tens place. So you will start multiplying from here, from this block, not from this block. So what you do, you put a cross or either you write 0. So now you multiply 3 with 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 into 2 is 6. So you write 6 in the tens place, not in the ones place, because it is a 2-digit number. So you write answer in the tens place. Now you multiply 3 with 5. So you write 5 into 3 is 15. So you have written 15. Now what you do, you add. Now 8 plus cross or 8 plus 0 is 8. 0 plus 6 is 6. 2 plus 5 is 7. And 1 plus 0, here nothing is there, you have 0. So 1 plus 1 becomes 1. So when you multiply 52 into 34, you get 1768. So you understood how do you do multiplication of 2-digit number. Like you were doing multiplication of 1-digit number, first step will be same. Now for the second digit, what you do, you start multiplying and write the digit answers in the tens place, starting from the tens place, and just put a cross or 0 in the ones place. First you put a cross, this is the second step. Then you start multiplying and write the answer just below the tens place. And then you add, you get the result. Third is multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. So what you do, you multiply a 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. Before it was multiplication of 2-digit number with a 2-digit number, and now you have multiplication of 3-digit numbers with the 2-digit numbers. So 3-digit numbers will have 100, tens and ones, and 2-digit number will have tens and ones. So what you do, you first write the place value 1000, 100, tens, ones. You write the digit in the proper order, like 365 will be 3 in the 100 place, 6 in the tens place, and 5 in the ones place. And 19 will be in the 2-digit place, that is 1 in the tens, 9 in the ones place. Now the question says there are 365 days in a non-leap year. Non-leap year has 365 days and a leap year will have 366 days, whatever. So just concentrate here with the non-leap year. You have 365 days. So the question says how many days will be there in 19 such years. So for 1 year it is 365. For 19 years it will be 365 into 19. Like you have, suppose you have 7 days in a week. In 1 week you have 7 days. So how many days will be there in 2 weeks? Same way, you have 365 days in 1 year. So 19 years will have how many days? So you multiply 365 into 19. So what you do, you first multiply as you were multiplying with 1-digit number. So you multiply 9 into 5 is 9 plus the 45, 5. 4 is carried over here. Now you multiply 9 into 6. 9 6 is 54 plus 4 is 58. 8 and 5. Now you multiply 9 into 3. 9 3 is 27 plus 5, that is 32. Now this part is completed. Now you will multiply 1. So what is the second step I have told you? Either you write 0 or you cross it. So this part is excluded. Now you will start writing the answers from here. So what you do, again you multiply 1 with 5. So 1 into 5 is 5. Then you multiply 1 into 6, that is 6. Then you multiply 1 into 3, that is 3. Now what you do, you add. You write 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. You write 3 and 1 is carried here. 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9 and 3 plus 3 is 6. Now this is the multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number.